Effective collaboration is about understanding enough of each other's worlds that we can see where the benefits in working together are, always really celebrating the successes of one another.
Good morning, Wessex. We have got a fantastic group of people today.
Today we've gathered together to talk about what is amazing about Wessex and the life science strengths that we've got here.
And how we can bring together rich assets and the possibilities of this region to play a sort of outsized role in supporting patient access to new innovations and growing both the regional and the national economy.
This region is a really exciting place to do life sciences.
Wessex is a great place to invest because it's the people, and the people make the place. There's some excellent skills and capabilities.
Today we hope to showcase the strengths of our health and care ecosystem.
I think we are uniquely placed for collaboration and really leveraging the benefits of working with the life science sector.
We've got brilliant companies.
Big multinationals in pharmaceuticals, such as Eli Lilly, and in medtech, such as Cooper Vision. In fact, just in Hampshire alone, we have 150 life science companies. But we are keen to work with companies which are outside our region. Over the past 6 years, companies working with Health Innovation Wessex have attributed 426 jobs and 143 million of economic growth to our support.
We have all the ingredients for industry, Health Innovation Wessex, of course, and Wessex Health Partners.
Our region brings together major NHR investments through the Wessex Health Partners Strategic Alliance.
We've got some amazing universities.
Portsmouth, Southampton, Bournemouth and Health Sciences.
We have a biomedical research centre that is looking at how do you translate innovations in the laboratory into patient care.
The research leads to technical advantage, business advantage and growth through business support mechanisms such as Set Squared and the Catalyst programme.
We have a long history of engaging with innovators, research, and we need more.
Hi everyone, we have 3 data sets that we're really proud of here in Wessex.
Diverse set of data from rare disease to oncology.
From hospitals, GPs, local councils.
We've been voted by the national team as a leading SDE in the country.
In terms of standouts, what are we really good at? Things like the Cancer Vaccine Launchpad, led by Southampton Clinical Trials Unit.
Cardiovascular disease is a really big focus for us, right through to the really high-tech genomic interventions.
Fantastic data, fantastic universities, but the thing that's really shone through is the human capital, the breadth and depth of talented people.
The connections of the people across Wessex is really close, and as an investor from the outside, that's so important.
So come work with us. We're great people to work with, and we want to work with anybody who's got brilliant ideas, who's got great skills.
And together we're really rather fabulous.